Hello everyone, welcome to your Math Mentor. Today we are going to solve a fantastic Math Olympiad question. The question is 9 to the power x minus 6 to the power x equals to 4 to the power x. Then find the value of x. Here the question is 9 to the power x minus 6 to the power x equals to 4 to the power x. We divided the equation both sides by 4 to the power x. Therefore, 9 to the power x minus 6 to the power x whole divided by 4 to the power x equals to 1. That's imply 9 to the power x by 4 to the power x minus 6 to the power x by 4 to the power x equals to 1. That's imply 9 by 4 whole to the power x minus 6 by 4 whole to the power x equals to 1. Since we know a to the power n by b to the power n can be written as a by b whole to the power n. Okay, that's imply 9 can be written as 3 square, and 4 can be written as 2 square. So this can be written as 3 by 2 whole to the power x. And here 6 by 4 means 2 3s are 2 2s are 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole to the power x equals to 1. Okay, so basically again we take 3 by 2 at first we write the equation 3 by 2 whole to the power x whole square minus 3 by 2 whole to the power x equals to 1. As we know, a to the power m whole to the power n can also be written as a to the power n whole to the power m. Okay, so then we take 3 by 2 whole to the power x as y. Clear? Now the equation therefore the equation can be rewrite as the form of y square minus y equals to 1. That is y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. So comparing the quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c, we clearly get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1, and c is also minus 1. Now the discriminant, we calculate the discriminant at first. B square minus 4ac is minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. That means root over of 1 minus plus 1. That means root over of 5. Okay, we get root over of b square minus 4ac. Otherwise, simply we can calculate b square minus 4ac, then the under root of b square minus 4ac equals to root 5. So y equals to, the form is minus b plus minus of root over of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here minus b minus of minus 1 plus minus the value of b square minus 4ac under root equals to root over 5. Okay, so root over of 5 divided by 2 into 1. Okay, so this is 1 plus minus root over of 5 by 2. Now either y is equals to 1 plus root over of 5 by 2 or y is 1 minus root over of 5 by 2. Okay, but y cannot be the 1 minus root 5 by 2. Y cannot take the value. Why? Y means 3 by 2 whole to the power x. Okay, y means 3 by 2 whole to the power x. That is now we take y this. Now since 3 by 2 always positive, 3 by 2 always positive, so 3 by 2 whole to the power x is also positive. So this section is positive, but this section is always negative. Okay, why? Root 5 is always greater than 1. Root 5 is always greater than 1. So 1 minus root 5 is always less than 0. So this portion will always less than, means negative. So this portion is rejected. So this portion we cannot accept, rejected. Okay, so we have left only one way to solve. The solution is 3 by 2 whole to the power x equals to 1 plus root over of 5 by 2. Now for finding the value of x, again we take log. Okay, so log of 3 by 2 whole to the power x. You see the previous you see in the previous Math Olympiad question solving, we have faced the same step. So here this can be written as taking log on both sides, taking log on both the side. Then x log of 3 by 2 equals to log of 1 plus root 5 by 2. Since we know that formula, log a base b, log a to the power b can be written as b log a. And also we are going to use another form, log a base c divided by log b base c can be written as log a base b. Okay, so here x equals to log of 1 plus root 5 by 2 divided by log of 3 by 2. Therefore log 1 plus root 5 by 2 to the base 3 by 2. This is our final answer. X equals to this. This is our final answer. Okay.